This section explains the procedure for checking and fine-tuning touch sensor sensitivity, following the Step 2 tuning section. The touch sensor state can be checked using real-time waveforms on the GUI. With the target board connected to the PC, build the code reflecting the tuning results. Then start the debugger and the program will stop at the main function. Then run the program. Click on the Capacitive Touch main tab to display the workflow diagram. From here, click Show Views to display the monitoring screen. After choosing the sensor to be monitored on the Capacitive Touch multi-status chart and the touch interface to be monitored on the Capacitive Touch status chart, and click Enable Monitoring on the Capacitive Touch board monitor to start monitoring the sensitivity. The Capacitive Touch board monitor displays the interface configuration information and touch positions. The Capacitive Touch multi-status chart displays the detection counter value graph of multiple touch sensors in real time, and the Capacitive Touch status chart displays the touch status of the selected interface in real time. The red line shows the detection counter value, the blue line shows the reference value, and the green line shows the threshold value. The detection status of the touch sensor is shown at the bottom of the chart. The Capacitive Touch parameters list allows you to set the interface noise filter and fine-tune the sensitivity. Clicking on the item displays an explanation at the bottom, and enables changing the value of the selected item while monitoring. Fine-tuned parameters are reflected to the source code by clicking the Parameter List, Output Parameter Files button. With a single click, the final tuning result can be reflected to the project easily. As we have seen in the previous 3 steps of configuration, tuning and monitoring by using QE for Capacitive Touch from Renesas, you can easily and quickly optimize the sensitivity of the touch sensor, and how easy it is to use touch sensors in your application. For more information about capacitive touch sensors, please visit our website.